Naimbag grabe kada kayo amin ako. I am Mary Joy Saunil, a certified in situ holder, and also I would like to congratulate to my fellow graduates. I am honored to be standing here today, sharing my thoughts and reflection on my journey as a student in this caregiving class. I want to take this opportunity to acknowledge the incredible support and guidance I have received from all of you throughout my training. As someone who has come from my background in sales and promotion, I must admit that it was not easy for me to be studying here in caregiving. In fact, it was a significant departure from my previous experience. However, I am grateful for this batch and the opportunity to reminisce about the days when I was still studying. My OJT experience was truly fun, talaga naman, and eye-opening. It taught me the importance of caregiving, but also about caring for the caregiver. We must remember that those who give must also be cared for. This crucial lesson that I will carry with me as I continue my journey as a caregiver. I also want to express my deepest gratitude to our admins, to our President of WCU, Ms. Carmesita Uy, to our Operation Manager, Ms. Cristina Oliveira, and for the Scholars Trainer, Ms. Anne Gay Manlapas, particularly to my trainers, Ms. Regina Grace Warren. Ma'am, salamat po ng sobra. Yan lagi sinasabi sa kanya pag nagkaka-chat kami, Ma'am, thank you so much. Paulit-ulit yan. So, thank you for being our side and sharing these incredible rides. Your wisdom and guidance have shaped my mind and ignite my passion for learning. Your guidance and expertise have been invaluable to me. I pray that God will always guide you every day para marami pa kayong matulungan papunta sa mga pangarap nila bilang successful caregiver. And to my fellow graduates, especially to my classmates batch 5, tara, tagay na! Joke lang. Salamat sa mga tawanan, awayan, tulakan, talakan, asaran at apir-apiran. Every time nakikita tayo or nag-uusap tayo, aminin man natin sa isa't isa, na kahit nagkakaasaran o nagkakatampuhan tayo. Minsan, maiisip na natin na naging stress reliever na din natin ang bawat isa. Naging sandalan din natin ang isa't isa. Yan. Sana lagi pa rin tayo maging positibo sa buhay tulad ng lagi niyong pinapaalala sa atin. Valentina and Jairus. Yan. Thank you so much for being a positive always. And also, I want to extend my heart, please. Gratitude to my husband, wala siya dito, nasa labas. Sa pogi kong asawang si Jason Pantoa. Thank you for being my rock of support throughout this journey. It was not easy for us, syempre, but it was always there to encourage me. And also to my daughter, my only one daughter, si Jasmine, who is my source of happiness and joy. And I love you so much both. As we stand here today, I am proud to say that I am certified caregiver, but more importantly, I am committed to carrying my giver for the 21st generation. We will stumble and fall. We will experience both disaster and triumph, sometimes in the same day, but it's essential to remember neither triumphs nor disaster last forever. They both pass and new day arrives. Just try to make that new day count. Our achievements, both big and small, have brought us to this moment. I couldn't be prouder to call all of your classmates as we move forward. Remember that every challenge we face and overcome has shaped us into individuals we are today. I would like to extend my sincerest gratitude once again, classmates, staff, trainers, and imparted incredible education in this incredible journey. Once again, my name is Mary Joy Saunil, a certified NC2 holder. One heart!